What's up, guys? I'm back again. I'm gonna get into another cleaning. Today's shoe is the Obsidian 12s. These are from, I believe, 2012. Yeah, the 2012 release. So for this shoe, I definitely got some creasing. You can see the creases, the dirt. Definitely got dirty. I took care of them, but you could definitely see there that has to get taken care of for sure. Got some creases on the inside, some re-gluing that has to get done as well, and definitely paint for sure. Definitely painting. But you can see the creases, you see that right there. Yeah, definitely gotta sand the shoe and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right in. So I'm back. I cleaned the shoe, dried it up, looks good. Now the next step I'm gonna do is I'm going to reattach the midsoles to the uppers. You see that, you could see that all of this is coming out. So what I did was, this side's bad. The way that I've seen it, I've never done this before. I think I tried to do it once before, failed horribly. So this time I watched some more videos, thanks to YouTube University. Taped up my shoe. What I thought about doing, I did it this way. Let's see if this works. Line up the shoe, line up the tape where I'm gonna glue at, and just X-Acto knife it so that the midsole is protected, that's visible, and the uppers that are also visible. Just the areas that need to get glued together will not be protected. Shoe tree back in. Make sure it's looking good. holding its form. Not bad for my first job at all. Let's do a quick update. So far, I cleaned the shoe, deep cleaned the shoe inside and out, took the insoles out, laces out, all that good stuff. Gave them a really good cleaning. You see the nice shine to them. This is just from the cleaning. I then painted the white uppers and midsoles, sanded them down because there was quite a few imperfections. Sanded it all down, repainted the whites. I also glued some of the separations on both shoes. I'll be honest, it wasn't the best glue job. But overall, I think they look really good. For this shoe in particular, I did it today after I got out of work. I tried to whiten the soles since the soles were a bit darker than the uppers. If it still doesn't clear up, I'm considering stripping them and repainting them completely. I did see a video where someone added a bit of something else to the white to not brighten it, so to not have it so bright so that it matches the sole, it looks consistent. But so far I'm very pleased with how the shoe's coming out. As you can see, this shoe looks really good. This one also looks good, but I just think like the soles could definitely look brighter in person. I feel like it's darker than the uppers. So all right, so the next step that I'm moving on to is I'm going to paint my blue midsoles. I already stripped them down. For some reason this shoe had more peeling, so this shoe came off a lot easier. It's still there, but I mean, I went through almost a whole bag of freaking cotton balls to get it out. Could be the acetone, I don't know. So that's why for this one it looks a bit darker. You can't really see. Let me put you in the light. There you go. It's all taped up, ready to go. This was also the darker one. Darker one is the one with the whitened soles. I could also show you that too. Nice and white. Actually looks really consistent now, so very pleased with that. And I'll show you the other one really quick before I start. So this one is a little dirtier, a little dingier. You could see that it's not as crisp and white, but the blue paint actually came off 10 times quicker on this one. So I'll take it. I'll take my wins where I could get them. So overall, I'm not at all disappointed with how the shoe's coming out. I'm just really hoping that when I finish the shoe, it looks the way that it should. Okay, so let's dive right in. We're back, so now I'm gonna peel the paint before it fully dries. Hopefully I didn't wait too long. Alright, because everyone says to remove before it dries. I wanted to get both sides before I peeled it off, in case I had to do any touch-ups. But it's actually looking very good. right, so that's the finished product there. Wow, that looks amazingly well. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. All right, let's get the other side off. Slow and steady. You don't want any messes or anything like that. There's always one side, so I might have to peel this side and do it again. Damn. I feel like at the end of the day, it all comes down to your tape work. If your tape work is consistent, yeah, I definitely have to do that side over again. You see how this side, you could see, let me put you in the light. You see no inconsistencies, no running. And then this side, you could even see it from far, but up close. So you don't want that. Make sure to tape things up right. And yeah, it happens. You just got to do it again, or be really good when you use the acetone. But because I'm not good with the acetone, I'm most likely gonna strip it off, do it again. Painting the uppers, repainting the uppers and the midsole, as well as the white Jumpman tags. I got the adhesive for that. I'm ready to just jump in. Although, as you can tell, it looks really good, right? It doesn't look bad at all from a distance, but up close, I feel like you can still see some of the brush strokes. And it doesn't look polished to me. So before we finish the shoe off with the finisher, I just want to perfect it. So that's what I'm about to do now. Alright guys, I hope y'all liked my video. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment below, give me a thumbs up if you digging the restoration. Overall, I mean, I followed all the steps that I learned on YouTube University, and the shoe just came out fantastic. I am gonna be making more of these videos. I'm gonna try to drop them once a week, since the whole process takes me about a week, depending on how bad the shoe is. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Jules Restorations. This is your boy Jules. Make sure to stay safe. All peace and love. This is a wrap.